Hello, today in biology, we'll continue with where we stopped from on habitats, and today we'll be talking about the terrestrial habitats. Terrestrial simply means land. Terrestrial habitats are habitats found on land, that's dwelling places found on land. They include natural forms such as the forest habitat, desert habitat, grasslands, as well as man-made habitats like the farms, the towns, the cities. Now we'll be looking at the forest habitats. Types of terrestrial habitats. We have the forest habitat, the mountain, the grassland, and the desert. These are the types of terrestrial habitats: the forest, the mountain, the desert, and the grassland. Well, we'll start with the forest habitat. A forest habitat is a forest or a woodland that provides a habitat, that is a place to live, for a variety of plants and animals. To look at a forest habitat is a collection of trees that covers a specific area. There are three types of forests: tropical rainforest, temperate forest, and boreal forest. The image of the screen is showing us what a forest looks like. We can see wood. We are seeing that this place is covered with trees. The image shows a specific area that is covered with trees, and these trees forms a canopy. Now we're going to look at the three types of forest habitats. The tropical rainforest. A tropical rainforest is a hot, humid, and flourishing, dense forest, usually found around the equator. The tropical rainforest receives around 100 inches of rainfall yearly. That is about 254 centimeters of rainfall yearly, and it contains tall, broad-leaved evergreen trees. You can see that on the screen. The leaves on this image, they are broad, and the trees forms a continuous canopy. There are millions of species throughout the tropical rainforest. The main animals here are the monkeys, the blue mofo butterfly, the okpai, three-toed sloth, jaguar, capybara, toucan, poison dart fox. The main plants are ferns, lichens, mosses, orchids, bromeliads, and of course many types of trees, including the rubber tree. The image on the screen showing us what a tropical rainforest is like. You can see that the trees here are broad, and there's a canopy formed here. So this is what a tropical rainforest looks like. Let's look at another type of forest. The temperate forest. A temperate forest is a forest in regions of the world where it is not extremely hot or cold. You can see that here. The temperature here is not showing that the image here is not showing that the temperature here is hot or cold. The forest is full of trees with wide, thin leaves. These leaves absorbs sunlight during the summer, and when the day starts getting shorter in the fall, the leaves becomes dry, changes color, and eventually drops off the trees. You can see some of the leaves are on the floor. They've dropped off the trees, and the image on the screen is also showing that the leaves have dried up, they've changed color. And some of the common mammal species found in the temperate forest include the deer, the timber wolves, the bear, the mountain lions, the squirrels, rabbits, and chunks. Now let's look at another type of forest, which is the boreal forest. A boreal forest is a forest that grows in regions of the northern hemisphere with cold temperature. It is made up of mostly cold-tolerant coniferous species such as spruce and fir. The image of the screen is showing us what the boreal forest looks like. You see that the the area is covered with snow. That means that it has the temperature here is very low, and the trees here are trees that are species that can withstand this type of weather. That are the trees that can withstand cold weather or snow. Some common species found in the boreal forest include the moose, the snowshoe hare, the beaver, the black bear, the yellow perch, northern pike, walleye, and plentiful number of shorebirds, sunbirds, and raptors. The boreal forest also provides critical habitats for species of trees such as woodland caribou and wood bison. This has brought us to the end of this exercise today on terrestrial habitats. Remember, we talked about the forest. Now let's go over to the assessment section. Question number 1. Define the terrestrial habitats. State the types of organisms found in the boreal forest. Drop your answer in the comment section. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching. Join us in our next demo.